Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Matepad 10.4 from 2022, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find About Tablet and localize the build number. As you can see, it should be on the 3rd position. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. This step is crucial because usually the developer options are not opened, are not active. So then let's enter the system and updates, and as you can see right here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. Now we can scroll down in order to find the automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So remember about that. Basically you do not have to do anything manually, you do not have to find the updates, just remember about restarting your device. Of course, you can turn off this option whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Huawei Matepad 10.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.